Welcome back to Math Solver 1117 where math become easy and fun. In this video we will solve Olympiad math problem, that is square root 2 plus square root x equals 2. You have to find the value of x. For this purpose we will solve this in a very easy and basic way. First of all, take the square root on both sides. We will write take square root on both sides. So if we take square root on both sides, we will get this as equal square root 2 plus square root x whole square equals 2 square. Now in the next step, we will open the a plus b whole square formula. According to that, square root 2 square plus square root x square plus 2 into square root 2 and square root x equals 4. Now 2 and square root are cancelled out, so we had 2 plus x plus 2 square root 2 square root x equals 4. Now we will apply formula on this, like we get x plus 2 into square root of 2 of x equals 4. Now we will get this as 2 square root 2x equals 4 minus x minus 2. It means that we have 2 minus x equal 2 square root 2x. After this we will take again square root on both sides. Now we will solve this as taking the square root on both sides. So 2 square root 2x square equals 2 minus x whole square. In this way we will get 4 into 2 of x, because this square is cancelled out with this square root. Here we open the square, so 4 minus 4x. Then next is plus x square. So we will arrange this as x square minus 4x minus 8x plus 4 equals 0. This will be goes towards the right hand side. So we get x square minus 12x plus 4 equals 0. Now this is the quadratic equation. We apply the quadratic formula. Now we will apply quadratic formula. According to that, x equal minus b, that is plus 12. Then plus minus b square, that is 144 minus 4ac means 4 into a is 1 and c is 4 divided by 2 of a means 2. So x equals 12 plus minus 144 minus 16 divided by 2. So we will solve this as this is 12 plus minus 144 minus 16 is square root 128 divided by 2. So square root 128 is basically 64 multiplies 2. So we will write this as 12 plus minus square root 65 multiply 2 divided by 2. Now 65 is the square of 8. So we will solve this as 64 multiply 2, and now by taking the common we will get 2 into plus minus 2 is as common, so 6 plus minus 4 square root 2 divided by 2. So 2 and 2 are cancelled out. We have this as 6 plus minus square root 2. So this will be the answer. We will write the value here, that is 6 plus minus 4 square root 2. So this is the answer. If you found this video helpful, subscribe Math Solver 1117 and also hit the bell icon to get notification for all upcoming videos. In the next video, we will solve another most important problem. Best of luck for your exam. Stay tuned.